Unlock the full potential of DeFi security by seamlessly integrating your SafePal hardware wallet with MetaMask. First, ensure your SafePal app is updated to the latest version and your hardware wallet is powered on and unlocked. Within the SafePal app, locate and tap on the DApp browser or a similar feature that allows for wallet connection. Now, switch to your computer and open your MetaMask browser extension, navigate to the settings menu, and find the option to connect hardware wallet. In your SafePal app, select the Scan QR code option and carefully scan the QR code displayed by your MetaMask extension. Your SafePal hardware wallet will then prompt you to confirm the connection request, review the details, and approve the connection on your SafePal device. Once confirmed, your SafePal wallet will be securely linked to your MetaMask. You'll see your SafePal wallet address appear within your MetaMask interface. This integration allows you to manage your crypto assets and interact with dApps with the unparalleled security of your hardware wallet, all through the familiar MetaMask interface. Enjoy a safer, more secure DeFi experience by leveraging the power of your SafePal hardware wallet with MetaMask.